Hi, my name is Paul from Local Web Consultants. This is a message for the owner of Total Care Cleaning Services Limited. I made this quick video because I believe I've got a way for you to actually, get more customers to your business. Now, I've been looking at your website and I've noticed it's got quite a good layout actually. It's got some really good information, and I'm pretty sure that with a website like this, you're getting, a lot of website visitors. Now, I don't know if you're aware, but 96% of website visitors will leave a website without taking any type of action. That means if you get 100 visitors to your website, 96 of them will simply leave without contacting you. So the best way to stop that from happening is to capture 100% all your website visitors. Now, I have software that will allow you to do just that. It will allow you to capture 100% of all your website visitors. It's what we call a retargeting tracking pixel software. And what it will do, it will allow you to basically capture 100% of all your website visitors. What it means for you as a business is that you can reach out to these potential website visitors and turn them into customers, because you'll be able to actually reach out to them and basically put your brand in front of them for over a period of, say, 30 days, 60 days, or even 90 days. Now, I'm offering this as a service to two carpet cleaning companies within the Cheshire area. If you'd like to take or get access to this particular software, as I say, at no cost to yourself, please reply back to this message and I'll save you a spot and send it over to you. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.